Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change your voice on your iPhone. So you just easily change your voice. Hello. So simply go to your app store, go to search option, search set to voice changer. You need to first install these apps. I'm already installed this. Just press on to open and record any voice like hello, how are you? Stop. Okay, and then showing you two more voice effect like normal, and now check, select on and press on three dot, click on to save, then save this, and that's it.